Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I already have it flooded with Artist Lofts Acrylic Flow Black. I'm just going to do like some gold and white, and I'm going to use Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold. I'm going to use Amsterdam's, I don't know if this is just, I don't know if it's just, oh, titanium white. Sorry about that. And Decoart's metallic emerald. I'm just going to kind of play around with it a little bit and see what happens. I'm just going to probably do some tilting and some Shmearing. I keep seeing a cat hair or dog hair, one of the two. There. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to put down the green first. I don't know if that's another one. I don't know why I keep seeing. Probably because I've had them all sitting on me out in the other room. And then I come in here and try to paint, and I should have changed my clothes, but I didn't do that. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of put the gold on top. And then I'm going to put the white on top of that. Then I'm just going to kind of tilt it some and see what it does, and then probably do a little bit of Shmearing. I'm kind of feeling this black with the gold lately. I did a really cool one, and when I was cleaning out my phone, I deleted the video, so I don't have the video available. But here's the painting. It turned out freaking amazing. I do have 2 coats of varnish on right now. It's so pretty. I'm kind of liking it this way. I don't know if I can get it all in the frame there, but I'm kind of feeling the colors. So figured I will give it a go here, but just try a little bit of green on it and see what happens. tell myself to stop, step away. Yeah. Totally missed it. I'm wobbling all over. My hands are shaky today. I think when the storms come, like my back seems to hurt a lot more. People say that if you have like arthritis and if you ever broke a foot or a hand or something, whenever it's getting ready to storm, like your body will know it. Whether or not that's true or not, I don't really know for sure, but I will say that my back's been killing me today. And they have like severe weather things out for today, so I don't know. It's very funky, actually. I really am digging it. This sounds really cool. I don't know what it's doing. Like, oops. I think you call it fractals or something. Because these like little cells here kind of have all these little things going out like that. Doesn't anywhere else. A little bit here, but the rest of it looks really good. I'm thinking about swiping this again with the white. I don't know, I just want a little bit more white there. Hopefully we'll get some more cells going through there. So pretty though. I love it. I really, really like it. I'm gonna torch it here a little bit and see. Make sure I don't have any air bubbles. I really like this. I'm gonna bring just a little bit of this green right alongside this. I like that. I do like that a lot. All right, I think I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up because I think I'm done. Look, trying to decide. It's really cool, but I think I like it this way. Let me bring it down for a close-up. Gosh, that green is so pretty. So sorry. Sorry about that. Just look at that. So pretty. That lacing is just gorgeous. Sorry about the glare from the window. Miss Pink's down here on the floor. But you see how those just have those little don't know what you call it. Fracklers, I don't know. Freckles or something like that. But, so this way, but I really like it this way. You have to tell me what you think. But it's really pretty. The green is just gorgeous on here. I wish you could see the shimmer in it. I don't know why my phone is like not focusing on the green. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. And you will like and subscribe and all that funness. I love all that lacing there. This one here I love. Love. Because it still stayed white. Like it didn't turn gray on there. That's awesome. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully I already said that. I'm sure I did. And you will like and subscribe and share. I'm sure I said that all already. Sorry about that if I did. But I do appreciate you watching. I feel like I'm rambling on. But thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully everybody's being healthy and safe. And keep being creative. Bye.